So in this video, we're going to take a look at one of the homes that has a somewhat unique design by one of the premier builders in the area. This home is in Mosaic subdivision in Daytona Beach. But if you look at this, if you notice, this has a two-car garage, but it also has in front of the two-car garage a two-car carport. So Adley Homes came up with this design and it's been very popular. A lot of people fill their garage up with stuff, but yet they still want their cars under cover. And so in this model, you've got the ability to fill your garage up and you still have the ability to put your car under cover, particularly for unloading groceries and that kinds of things. The other kind of unique feature about this house is it has a great front porch. A lot of people have put chairs and tables out here and enjoy the idea of sitting on your front porch. So let's go in and take a look at this house and show you some of the other features that Adley Homes has that is different than other builders and why his homes are such a great value. So the home opens up to a nice sized foyer where you've got plenty of room to greet your guests. And then as you come through, it opens up to a great room. In this particular home, you got your kitchen, living, dining, all in one great big room. So everybody is a part of the activities. If the cook is in the kitchen, they're still part of the activities with the family. Some of the features that are unique to Adley Homes is he uses quartz countertops, 3-centimeter quartz countertops. He's put extra cabinets in. If you notice, there's some cabinets here under the bar. He uses high-end cabinets that are solid wood with dovetail joints, soft closed drawers and doors. This one is a particularly large kitchen. It's got plenty of 42-inch high-end cabinets in it. One of the unique features about this particular model is the size of this pantry. It's large enough to where you could put a countertop in here, put all your toasters and coffee makers and get them out of the way and keep a nice, clean, clear countertop in your kitchen. This has a nice bathroom. He uses the same high-end cabinets in the bathroom. So one of the other things that Adley Homes does that many of the other builders don't do or charge extra for is they use a core foam injectable insulation in every open block cell. Many of the blocks are filled with concrete and steel, but for all the other blocks in the home, they're filled with this core foam insulation. And it does a couple of things for you. One is it keeps your electric bills down. And the other thing it does is it allows you to live in a much quieter house. You know, some of the little things that he does is he actually puts a frame around the mirror. He uses a taller than normal baseboard. He uses rounded corner beads. This home has 4 bedrooms. There's 3 here, and it does have 3 bathrooms. So it has not only the bathroom that I just showed you. This is the second bathroom. This one's designed so it could be a pool bath. So it's got a door to the outside if you decide you want to put a pool in. So this master, like all of Adley Homes, it's got a tray ceiling with beams, all high-end casing around the doors, tall baseboards. This particular model has a his and her closet. So in the master bath, he's also got high-end cabinets even in the bathrooms with all the soft close drawer features, and has a huge master shower. You know, he does little things like he'll spend the extra money to to put the shower control on the opposite wall from the shower so that you don't have to stand in the shower to adjust the temperature. In this particular model, it's got a very large laundry room. It's got enough room for a side-by-side washer and dryer, and it's plumbed for a laundry sink. Well, this is a 2-car garage with a 2-car carport. Adley Homes uses a high-energy 16-SEER HVAC system and a high-energy water heater. The garage doors are all 8 foot tall, and he uses insulated garage doors. One of the other things that he does that is unique and in all of his homes is he uses these extra wide openings in the family room, a great room. So you've got a great big huge opening to bring the outdoors in or the indoors out if you're having an event. This particular model is on a preserve. All in all, you can't really go wrong with buying an Adley home. Right now, he is closing out of this subdivision. He has 4 homes left that are a great value. If you calculate the per square foot price, you want to take a look at the total square footage because he uses extra large porches, lots of larger garages and carports. So it's a little bit misleading if you just use the living area as a per square foot price comparing to some of the other builders. You've got a really great value at these closeout prices of these last 4 homes. So we'd love to have you come take a look. We're here 7 days a week. Give me a call or text at 386-898-0700. We'd love to show you these homes or find the perfect home for you. Look forward to seeing you soon. How do you like a Mosaic?
Mosaic's great. We've been here since 2019 and moved from Poncello, as a matter of fact. And we were ready to downsize. The neighborhood's great. Clubhouse is great. We live over here on Lake Mosaic. So overall, it's just a great neighborhood.